Hello everyone, today I will tell you how you can disconnect your Phantom wallet from a website. So there are two ways to disconnect your Phantom wallet from any website. First one is to click on your wallet of the website that you are logged into. Just click on my wallets and look out for the logout button. And all you have to do is just click logout and that's it. But the next time when you will be logging into your account, all you have to just choose your Phantom wallet and you will be into your account. It won't ask for any permissions. So in order to revoke the permissions and completely disconnect from any website, all you have to do is just go to your extensions and you will see Phantom wallet icon here. Just click it and go to the settings on top left corner. Then you will see trusted apps tab. Just click it and here you will see all the websites you are connected to, so you can simply just revoke the permissions. And now when you will log out from any website, it will ask for permissions when you will try to log in. And that's how you can disconnect your Phantom wallet from a website. Make sure to hit that like button if the video was helpful and also subscribe to our channel for further helpful videos.